Let's now talk about Maharashtra, the one state that has political pundits and analysts scratching their heads because of the volatile nature of some of the parties. Let's now talk about the previous year numbers. In 2014 and 19, the Bharatiya Janata Party and Shiv Sena combined won 41 out of the state's 48 seats. But the political landscape of Maharashtra has changed now. The UPA had won 5 and the AIMIM had won 1 seat. The Shiv Sena joined its former foe, Indian National Congress and the National Congress Party or the NCP, to form the Mahavikas Aghadi government in Maharashtra after talks of rotational chief ministership failed with the BJP in 2019. The Shiv Sena then witnessed a split with a chunk led by Eknath Shinde joining hands with the BJP in 2022 and forming a new government. A year later, a faction led by Ajit Pawar of the NCP also joined this government, forming a Mahayuti. The battle now is between NDA, which consists of BJP, the Shiv Sena faction led by Eknath Shinde, and NCP led by Ajit Pawar, versus the India bloc with Congress, of course, and Shiv Sena led by Uddhav Thackeray and the Sharad Pawar NCP faction. One of the most interesting seats to look out for in Maharashtra is undoubtedly Baramati. This fiery seat in Maharashtra has traditionally supported the Sharad Pawar and his family who founded the NCP. But after his nephew jumped ship to support the Shiv Sena BJP government, the electoral outcome might change. Supriya Sule, the current 3-term MP and daughter of Sharad Pawar, faces a challenge from Sunetra Pawar, Ajit Pawar's wife. This is a contest within the family. In the last 3 decades, the BJP Shiv Sena cadre has opposed the NCP Congress cadre tooth and nail. Can they reconcile their differences now? Let's take a look at what India Today Access My India exit poll predicts for the state of Maharashtra. As per the exit poll, the BJP is expected to win 20 to 22 seats. The Shiv Sena is expected to win, the Shiv Sena led by Eknath Shinde is expected to win 8 to 10 seats. Ajit Pawar led NCP is expected to win 1 to 2 seats and the RSP is expected to win none. This was NDA, the coalition led by the BJP government. Now, in the 2019 assembly elections, we know that the BJP won 23. So, as per India Today Access My India exit poll, the BJP is expected to lose a seat or 2 with 20 to 22 seats. The Shiv Sena, which won a total of 18 when it wasn't split, had won 18 and is now expected to win 8 to 10 under Eknath Shinde. Let's now talk about the India Alliance. The Congress is expected to win 3 to 4 seats, an increase from the 1 seat that it had won in 2019. The Shiv Sena led by Uddhav Thackeray is expected to win 9 to 11 seats. The NCP led by Sharad Pawar is expected to win 3 to 5 seats. So the India Alliance in total is expected to win 16 to 20 seats, as opposed to NDA, which according to India Today Access My India exit poll is predicted to win 28 to 32 seats. The others, which include VBA, AIMIM, BVA, SWP and an independent candidate are in total expected to win 0 to 2 seats. The battle in Maharashtra has now become interesting as we see that the India bloc has put up a tough fight for the NDA with its numbers rising to 16 to 20 seats. Now the Congress had in alliance with the NCP won only 5 seats. But now if you see that the India Alliance is expected to win 16 to 20 seats. Keep watching India Today Access My India for the most accurate predictions. I'm Deepthi Rao. You're watching India Today, So South.